Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am the pilot of Nimbus VTOL. My radio is here. And where's my plane? Right there.
Are you high?
Very high, man. It's coming, see? It's landing now. Sweet, man. And we have touchdown. Check it out. That's my radio goggles. And that's me, the Nimbus pilot, with the camera. Activate power mode. Sweet, now we are hovering. Transition is very swift and smooth. You don't feel anything in FPV even. And I can actually look around now. The thing I like about the Nimbus VTOL is that I can actually cruise at 26-25% throttle. And that's what I love it, man. It's really very efficient. This is my third flight and I still have 22.14 volts left. And here I come for a pass over our head. Say hello. That's me.
Nice.
Flies nice and locked, man. Throttle to 0. Because we're in plane mode, we should be able to glide. Nose down, gliding. Sweet. Keeping like 25% throttle. It's still, man, like 25% throttle now. Alright, it is coming back very, very well. And it's switching to VTOL, vertical landing mode, vertical takeoff and landing mode. Because I'm not gonna do anything. You see, I'm holding the radio here. I'm not doing anything. beautiful. Just before touchdown, it had a little bit of throttle to slow down the descent. And that's it.
Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right?